Hi guys, this is HakeDog TV. In this video, we will make the request that commented on this video. Big shout out to you. Your wish is my command, so let's begin. Open Pixellab application. Change the image size into 16:9 ratio and make the background into black.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Double tap the text box to edit and type the name what you want. Choose any fonts what you want. I choose Metropolis Black. Copy the text for the second word, and edit it also. Resize each text to the desired size, as long as it is fitted to the screen. Click relative position and make it sure that each text is in the center. Save the image in an ultra quality. Now, open your Capcut application. Choose Saitama short clip video. The short clip video link is on the description box, free to download. Click overlay and select the image we created earlier in Pixellab. Drag the image text to the end part of the video. Remove the watermark of the video. Fit the image text into whole screen. Splice the image text and choose Burn. Edit the video until you get the perfect position. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And also, like, comment, and share. Thank you. When everything is okay and you are satisfied with your work, save your project. And that's all. Thank you for watching.